Hello YouTube, Charge is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to reinstall gaming service on Windows computer. Your gaming service may not work, so you want to reinstall it on your Windows computer. So these steps will work for all Windows operating system, Windows 11, Windows 10 or other Windows operating system. So in order to reinstall the gaming service, first we should have to uninstall or remove the gaming service from the computer. So first click on here the search icon, and after this open type here PowerShell. So here the Windows PowerShell app appeared. So right click on it and select run as administrator, then select yes. Then after the Windows here administrator Windows PowerShell opened, then here I have some commands in order to uninstall the gaming service. Here the command, so I'll put this command on the description box with a link so you can get it there. So copy this command, copy, and right click on the top of the PowerShell and click here edit, then you will find it, then paste, then press here enter. Then it says here remove AppX package, which is the gaming service from Microsoft, so it's removed. Then after that close your Windows PowerShell and reinstall the gaming service with this command. We are going to again click here the search icon, and again we are going to open the PowerShell. So type PowerShell. So here the Windows PowerShell, so right click on it and select run as administrator, then confirm by selecting it yes. Then after that, then copy this reinstall gaming service command, this one from start, copy, then go here on the top, right click on it, edit, select paste, then press enter. So when you do this, it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store, which is the Microsoft Store will have the gaming service app. So here the gaming service opened, so click here Gate. So when you click Gate or when you click install, it will start downloading the gaming service, and it will ask me a confirmation, then select yes, and it will start downloading and installing to your computer. So it's downloading. So if installing using the command is not working, again you can install it using the Xbox. So click here the search icon and type here Xbox, and here the Xbox app, then open the Xbox app. So and after the Xbox app, on the bottom or on the top corner you will find here this app needs an extra component gaming service as needed. So you can select here install, and it will install the gaming service. So this is the method in order to reinstall gaming service on your Windows computer. And I hope this video helped you. So please like, subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.